everybody, I hope that you guys are having an awesome day, and if you guys are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe down below because I upload pretty much 4 times a week. And don't forget to enter my giveaway if you haven't already, because it's gonna be ending I think probably 2 days or something. So you have to check out the link if you guys haven't done so already, and I'll be announcing that live, so that's pretty exciting. And this video is basically a kind of like a date night spring edition kind of makeup look. So this is what I came up with. And this video is basically inspired by Hush palette. Just used this palette with everything on my eyes. And I also did some swatches in all the palettes that I recently gotten. So you guys will see how it'll turn out. And don't forget to stay in the video so you guys can see my honest opinion about this palette. Watch the video. Basically, you know, while I was doing this, I was just mainly using this palette. So my honest opinion and review, while I was using this palette, it was very pigmented just for the price. It's like only I think $12 or something. And while I was using it, you know, it blended pretty well, if you guys can see right here. This is only the palette that I've used in this video, well, this makeup look. So this is what it turned out to be. So swatch them as well. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video.